My pool is not usually dirty, but if I have to clean it, I need it to be easy and fast. And this is why this vacuum that this brand sent to me for this video, the handheld vacuum, I think it is pretty cool just to clean it yourself without minimum effort. And by the way, this thing actually extend. This is actually backwards. I just saw that, but this thing extends so much. It's a handheld one. It's a one that you can use for the steps, for the stairs, and things like that. But it also comes with two more. So if you have a really deep pool, this is gonna actually do it for like about, I wanna say like maybe 8 feet or something like that. So it is actually a vacuum, but it's also a pump. I'll show you that one in a few seconds. And it also comes with different accessories in case that you wanna kind of like clean corners or clean the steps or things like that. But let's take a closer look and put it to action. Okay, so first of all, you can see that this is not gonna damage the paint on your pool, and you can change its accessory by the other one if you want. Here's gonna be your reservoir or kind of like container for all the waste and the filter. In here, you're gonna find how to actually open it up. You have a kind of like handle right here, but if not, you're gonna have the big handle, and this is where you're gonna actually put the battery. You're gonna charge the battery. I have to say that with this one, you're gonna open it up. Just take a look at this real quick. And you're gonna take this out and you're gonna charge that. You're not gonna charge the whole unit. You're gonna charge that battery over there. Once that you close it, it will be all set. On and off, you have the pump option right here. If you wanna put a hose right here, you can with the accessory that comes with, and you can put a big hose and just like keep pumping all that waste. Okay, so now we're here. We're gonna just long press, and once that you put it a little bit in the water, just you're gonna see that, and the jet is gonna come on the back. That's for your pump if you want. Let's actually do this. I actually put a little bit of debris. Well, you can see how this one, yeah, I mean, it's gone. That's it. It is gone in just like seconds. It is completely gone, and I have to say that this was the easiest and fastest way of cleaning that little kind of like section that I did over there. And again, this is everything being hogged by the filter. It's like just like being all set up with the filter. Remember that this is actually filtering the water and putting the battery right away with the battery, with the jet and everything. And of course you can put a hose and make it to be a pump if it is like a super cloudy day or something like that. You can actually do that 100%. And let's check out the filter now. Oh, one more spot. Okay, all done. Let's check on the filter. Well, you can see that it's everything there. How dirty it is. We cut everything. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, and you can see that everything is in there. All that debris, everything that I just put inside, it is just right there. You just wash it, rinse and repeat, and you're all set. I guarantee that you're gonna really like this mini vacuum that is battery operated.